A plain wooden block spins on a lathe, ready to turn into something truly useful. Using a sharp chisel and firm hands, the artisan smooths the surface, then carves guidelines. Slowly, a beautiful curved shape emerges, skillfully refined at every stage. The lathe helps keep motion steady, while hand tools define each contour. This process not only shows great control but transforms raw wood into decorative or functional pieces like handles, pegs, or craft parts. Such turning techniques are vital in furniture design, wooden toys, and custom fittings, adding charm, grip, and durability to everyday items.